Okay, to get to the lock, all you have to do is have the window rolled up and reach your arm in here, just like so, and you have perfect access to the lock.
We're about to replace the door lock on a 1980 Camaro. We're inside, this is a view inside the door. We'll remove this clip right here, this clip. That clip is the one that secures the lock to the door from the inside. That clip is up against the sheet metal, the outer sheet metal of the door.
I did it.
Okay, don't worry about that for now. Well, boy, that was hard.
Mm-hmm.
Passenger side door. We're going to stick a big flat screwdriver in there and pop that clip off. At least that's the theory. Okay, boy, that's tough. Here's the door lock that we're about to install. Here's our new door locks and the old door lock. The new lock comes with a gasket that goes between the exterior surface of the lock and the sheet metal or the paint. And it comes with a couple of new clips. And all we have to do is transfer this small amount of linkage. It's a piece of linkage and a clip to the new lock. And both the left and the right side appear to be identical. The way this clip works, there's a small metal tab that's stuck in this hole to prevent the clip from sliding off to the left. So all we have to do is lift that little tab out and then just push it off. Okay, so he's under the tab.
There we go.
Okay, you're just going to instantly move that to the new piece?
Yep, think so.
Okay.
This, like so. And then this will go on there like that.
Our clip did not want to stay on. It just was going to slide right back off. So what we're doing is bending it to put a little bit more arch in it. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. Is that side down in the slot?
It is. There. There. That will stay.
So now we're going to do the transfer of the driver's side linkage piece.
Mm-hmm.
So you're still favoring the screwdriver approach?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Quite a difference in rustiness.
Yeah. Alright, that comes off, and this comes off. Alright, that one's out of the way. I'll just go ahead and pre-bend this one. Okay.
So what were you doing there when you were bending it?
Trying to put a little more arch in it so that it would definitely have friction and push up against the bottom of this pin here.
Can you set the two pieces side by side, show if they're the same or different? Okay, so we're comparing Passenger side on the left, driver side on the right. They are different. They're bent opposite directions. Putting the passenger side door back together. Dylan's reaching up under the door. And he's sticking the lock in from the outside. And he's making sure that that rod goes through the slot on the linkage at the same time.
Can't see anything.
And I can hold it up there.
Thank you.
And
all right, good.
So it's kind of in position, right?
Yep.
Now all we need is for somebody to come in and forcefully put that new clip on.
Yep, new clip. That hurt.
We are rolling.
Oh, good.
My camera's so good.
His camera's so good. Can you hold this?
All right.